Chapter 7 module focus on networks, internet, and internet protocols. But before we start, I will give a brief introduction about it. So, a basic understanding of networking is important for anyone managing a server. Not only it is essential for getting your services online and running smoothly, it also gives you the insight of diagnose problems. So this module will provide a basic overview of some common network concepts including the internet and internet protocols. Topics covered in this module are the following: what is network, purpose of network, advantages and disadvantages of networking, network devices, themes related on the internet, concept of internet technologies, World Wide Web, internet etiquette, and uploading and downloading files from the internet. So, the learning outcomes. By the end of this module, we will be able to discuss networking and its purpose, list and identify networking devices, define different terms related to the internet, explain the concept of internet technologies, demonstrate how computers are connected to the internet, demonstrate the ability to create and use the World Wide Web, discuss and apply internet etiquette, and last, demonstrate the ability to download and upload a variety of resources from the internet. Hi everyone, I'm Althea Joy A, Pascual, and let's focus on the question, what is network? We all know that counselors or officers may come across network in some operational tasks, like connecting to your internal system. We will also encounter network in public-facing council functions, such as providing internet or Wi-Fi on public places like malls, libraries, or schools. So the diagram shows what is computer network. A computer network is a collection of computer and devices connected using communication devices, like NICs, hubs, and routers, and transmission media like radio wave or satellite. So the example of connected devices is printer or scanners. Computers are connected by many different technologies or networks. Two or more computers that can interconnect in peer-to-peer, client-to-server over a shared or virtual connection. The following are the potential needs of computer network. First is information exchange. This is the sharing of data or information between users. Next is resource sharing. This is sharing expensive resources like printers or software. So next is network architecture. The client or server is a network architecture, which is the client requests a service to a service program. So this is highly efficient for connecting programs across different locations. A common example of it is an online banking, where your computer acts like a client requesting information from the bank servers. The next network architecture is peer-to-peer network. This is a type of network where computer connect directly to share resource without needing central server, and this can be a temporary setup. There are 7 advantages of networking. First is the facility of the technical support. Because of networking, it enables remote technical support. For example, person sitting in US provides a technical support to a person sitting in a remote part of India. Next is easy sharing of data. With the help of networking, all former's digital data can be easily shared between computers regardless of location. Next is easy sharing hardware. With the help of networking, expensive resources like storage space, processors, and fax machines can be shared. Next is easy sharing software. Software can be shared and installed across computers because of networking. Next is easy to decentralize data processing. In this part, networking simplifies decentralizing data processing, improving control security, and management of important data. Last is easy to communicate. Networking makes communication highly efficiency using the methods of text, chatting, video chatting, and email. So, there are 5 disadvantages of networking. So, when you are networking, expect the expensive when you purchase. Next is you were required to be trained before managing large files. Because of networking, you will experience a crashing of files. Networking may spread viruses causing your computer broke. And lastly, networking may be danger because of hacking. So next is network devices. What is network devices? Network devices may be inter-network or intra-network. It is a hardware device that used to connect in one another. Modem. Modem is a combination of two devices, which is the modulator and the modulator. When we say modulator, it is a converts digital data into analog data when the data is being sent by the computer. And when we say the modulator, it is analog data signals to digital data when it is being received by the one computer. We have 3 types of modem. First is the simplex. Simplex can transfer data, but only one. Half duplex has the capacity to transfer, but only one at a time. Full duplex, this can transmit data in both. So, we have RJ45 connector. This pin go into corresponding socket and devices and connect the device to the network. Ethernet card is component used by computers.
Router. Router, it is a device that connects multiple networks together and helps them to communicate with each other. It is like a traffic cop that directs data packets to their destination. Router can connect LAN, WANs, and Internet, and they use routing tables to determine the best path for data to travel. Routing table. A routing table is a list of directions that a router uses to forward data packets to their destination. There are 2 types of routing tables. Number 1 is static routing table. This type of routing table is manually configured and only suitable for small network. Number 2 is dynamic routing table. This type of table is updated automatically by the router as it communicates with other routers on the network. Switch. A switch is a network device that connects devices to a LAN using Ethernet cables. It is like a small hub that helps devices communicate with each other. Switches use packet switching to receive, store, and forward data packets, and they maintain a list of connection devices, network addresses to ensure efficient data transmission. Gateway. A gateway is a network or software that connects 2 or more different networks together. Think of it like a bridge that helps different networks communicate with one another. How does gateway work? The gateway receives data packets from one network. It translates the packets into a format that the other network can understand. It forwards the packet to other network. Moreover, gateway are similar to routers, but they can handle different protocols, which allows them to connect networks that uses different communication language. Wi-Fi. A Wi-Fi is a hardware component that allows devices to connect to a wireless network. It's like a wireless translator that helps your device speak the language of the wireless network. How does Wi-Fi work? Number 1, enables wireless connection to a network. Number 2, connects devices to a local network wirelessly. Number 3, allows for wireless internet access through a Wi-Fi hotspot. Number 4, can add wireless capabilities to the older devices. So let's proceed to computer networking technology. In this part, I will discuss the major terminologies used in computer networking. Number 1, WAN or Wide Area Network. It is a network that covers a large geographic area such as city or country. Number 2, LAN. LAN, or also known as Local Area Network, a network that covers a small geographic area such as home, office, or a building. Number 3, Internet, a global network that connects computers worldwide through WANs and LANs. Number 4, Intranet, a private network that is only accessible to authorized personnel within an organization. Number 5, Extranet, a restricted internet access that is only available to select users such as business partners or customer. Number 6, World Wide Web, also known as WW, a service that allows users to access and view web page using a web browser. Number 7, Instant Messaging, or IM. It is an online chat services that allows users to communicate with each other in real time. Number 8, Voice over Internet Protocols, or VoIP, a technology that allows users to make voice calls over the internet. Number 9, Really Simple Syndication, RSS. It is a technique that allows users to subscribe to online content such as news feeds or blogs. Number 10, Weblog. It is an online journal or blog that is updated regularly. Number 11, Podcast. It is a digital audio or video file that is available online. Number 12, Social Networking Website. It is an online platform that allows users to share information, connect with others, and join communities. Number 13, Chat Rooms. It is an online space that allows users to communicate with each other in real time. So number 14, Public Switch Telephone Network, PSTN. It is a traditional public telephone network system. Number 15, Integrated Services Digital Network, or ISDN. It is a standard for transmitting voice, video, and data over digital lines. Number 16, Asymmetric Digital Subscriber Line, or ADSL. It is a technology that provides faster data transmission over traditional phone line. 17, Download. It is a process of transferring data from internet to a personal computer. Number 18, Upload. The process of transferring data from personal computer to an internet server. Number 19, Dial-up. It is a method of connecting to the internet using a phone line. And lastly, number 20, Broadband. It is a high-speed internet connection that uses multiple signals and traffic types. Internet-based services. Here are the following basic services available to internet users. Number 1, email. A quick and cheap way to send message to people anywhere in the world using the internet. Number 2, Telnet, a tool that lets you access and control another computer over the internet. Number 3, FTP, or File Transfer Protocol, a method for moving files between computers connected to the internet, allowing you to upload or download files easily. Number 4, Usernet News. It is an online discussion platform where people can post messages and have conversation about a wide range of topics similar to a bulletin board. Number 5, World Wide Web, or WW. It is a system that allows you to access and navigate information on the internet using links and web page.